Hi everyone, my name is Amanda with Owens Corning, and I'm excited to share with you a safe professional choice for thermal insulation. Owens Corning Thermafiber mineral wool. From the tallest buildings in the world to the safest homes on the block, thermafiber insulation is praised by contractors for being a safe insulation solution. So you're probably wondering, Amanda, how could this insulation possibly be so safe? Well, let me show you. Did you know that thermafiber insulation is the #1 specified commercial mineral wool in the industry? And that it's exceptional at absorbing noise? It's also fire resistant to temperatures above 2,000 degrees. Pretty hot, right? Ew, mold and mildew concerns? I don't think so. Thermafiber insulation doesn't absorb water, making it mold and mildew resistant. So when you think of thermafiber insulation, think safe, specified, absorbs noise, fire resistant, no mold or mildew.